Oh my God, she's there. I wanted to try the sauce and the meatballs. 3 for 1. Pretending I'm gonna go to pee. Oh, it's the battleship. They have like a vending machine food like in Japan. Oh, that is so good.
I'll add one thing only.
Question, are we ready to play?
Yes! Oh, you see, it's perfect here.
That's 50, right?
Our Smeg appliances just arrived today, and we got our retro vibe microwave right here to match the aesthetic. Sadly, our microwave compartment right there is so tiny that we have to look at the microwave that can be fitted there. This one is actually perfect. But it's so cute. We're not actually using much microwave, to be honest. And also, look at this. My new chopping board just arrived. It's huge. Acacia chopping board right here. I love it. Yay, it fits! Good job! Hey guys, mabuhay! Welcome to
IKEA, New York City!
I think it's so loud. Can I get a Swedish meatballs?
Anything else?
Salmon fillet.
I don't have any salmon right now.
Garlic lemon cod.
I think we're good in here.
Almost.
So we ordered for Swedish meatballs. This one is
Cod.
the cod, the fish, because they don't have salmon. We ordered for the duo dessert. This is New York cheesecake, and this is the double chocolate. And we got this juice right here, Langlure. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, mabuhay, it's Maria, and we're right here at IKEA. As you all know, we just moved into our new home, and now we're starting to check some furnitures. But before anything, we decided to eat. This is actually my first time to try IKEA Swedish meatballs, so I'm pretty excited. Look at this. I wanted to try the sauce and the meatballs without anything. Look at this meatballs. Nice. Look at this. There's a cranberry sauce. This one is the cod. Okay, not bad. Little fishy though, but like $11, right? Per plate. That's pretty cheap for a good plate of this. Not bad. Yeah, I think the meatballs is a star is still here. Cheers.
Basic.
Basic.
No comment.
Basic.
There's a cheesecake and there's a chocolate cake. Okay.
Yeah, that's true. We are actually looking for bed frame, bed mattress, and also couch for our new home. We've been overwhelmed, but basically we know what we want. We wanted like a bed frame with under bed storage area because we need more storage. We actually agreed for a medium firm bed mattress, which is, we are torn between two style already. Now we're actually checking also an office chair because we working remotely at home. As much as possible is ergonomic, so we need a very reliable office chair as well.
work on their own, so you won't disturb any one of us anymore.
That is what we need. You can feel it tiny. Of course, you're doing exaggerating there. Pretending I'm gonna go to pee. I'm gonna sleep again. Hi, babe.
A little bit.
Oh, this one is good. Shake it, shake it. I think it's good. Cannot feel that you get out in the bed. So there's a strap there. And they're all spacious that we can put a lot, like our winter clothes during summers. Yeah. Look at this island with chopping board. Nice. Look at this, it's so pretty. It's a light bamboo dining chair. This is rattan and this is the bamboo one. Maybe our chair.
That is our chair.
Yeah. This is Lizabo. I like this. This is my plan, circle one. You like the color? That's $1,199. You can make it as a bed, like that. Cool, cool, cool. And then top of it. It's easy to, right? You just have to pull it up. It's $1,600, but I like it the corduroy style. That one, the gray. Because we're a wine drinker. So this one is spill won't sip into the fabrics, which is really good for us. There's a storage right here. Put it up, this one here, put it up. And then, see, you want to watch horror movie in the living room. So if we have a guest, they can sleep here because that is convertible to a sofa bed. I like this color more, right? Again. Poang. Yeah, this is with the ottoman, but this is the one for us, the color. Or the rocking chair. I'll try the rocking chair. Hey, this is cute. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay, this is Graph Jolly. It's new one. Yeah, this is so perfect. For keys, for shades, and then you can put some laces here and picture frames. And then this one is double size. Look, 6 pairs of shoes. The normal shoes. This one, the lighter color. Yeah, I like this rug. That's pretty. Hey guys, we just came back from IKEA and we had a quick freshen up before we're going to our next activities here in New York City. I believe this is one of the most fun things to do if you are visiting the big city. This is the Squid Game experience here in Manhattan. So if you are a fan of Squid Game, this is where you have actual experience playing some of the games or the challenges that you've seen in the Netflix famous series. Of course, just to feel the vibe, I'm wearing my tracksuit, but it's not green. It was red, and I absolutely love this. Let's have this Magic Mind. This Magic Mind is actually a mental performance shot that I've been taking for weeks now, and honestly, I've seen a lot of progress when it comes to staying focused, less stress, and how you become more calmer. That's the reason why I'm still continuously taking this. It is actually late afternoon right now, but they said that there is no time when you wanted to take this. Perfectly served when it's chilled. So if you wanted to try these Magic Mind, I am going to post the link down below, which is magicmind.com/MariaMH, magicmind.com/MariaMH. And also you can use my promo code MariaMH20, MariaMH20 for you to get up to 48% on your first subscriptions for the next 10 days. And now let's go back to this video and let's have a Squid Game experience. Yeah. Nice. And then pay, and then you're gonna get here.
Pretty cool.
Nice.
Maybe more of those.
Okay guys, mabuhay, it's Maria and we are here right now at Squid Game Experience here in New York City and we're about to play the game. Let's go!
There might be some loud explosions. It's all simulations. It's not meant to freak you out or scare you. It's all part of the game.
Oh my god, baby! Good luck! 3, 4, 1. Oh my god! That's me.
I would like to extend a heartfelt welcome to the trials. Your success will prove to us which of you are ready to take the next step, and which are, sadly, not. You will participate in a variety of games gauging different skills. After every game, you will see a leaderboard showing your current ranking. Failure to comply will eliminate you permanently.
I'll add one thing only. We have eyes everywhere, ensuring that each of you take this aspect of the trial seriously.
Remember who you are in the outside world. Remember what is at stake. Will you go back to your old and depressing lives? Or will you act? If the answer is yes, then continue on.
From this point forward, your names do not matter. They are a relic of the outside world and will not be used in these spaces. Do we understand?
Yes.
Right now, on a count of 3, I want everybody to shout your name. Make sure you know your name.
412.
Not yet. All right. 1, 2, 3.
3, 4, 1.
Last question. Are we ready to play?
Yes! Good luck, baby.
Good luck. 3, 4, 1.
Good luck, 404.
Some of the tiles are safe, and some are bad. You must step on every safe tile in order to win this game. Players, take your first step only. Player 3, you have been eliminated. Nice. Moving clockwise around the board.
Not yet. It hasn't updated yet.
Oh my god. Oh, it's the battleship. Miss, okay, good. Yay! D2, D5. Yay! We won! Woo! Oh my god, she's there.
Red light, green light. You are allowed to move forward when Young-hee shouts out green light. Stop when she shouts out red light. If your movement is detected after red light is called, you will be eliminated from the trials.
Green light. Green light.
95. Player 133. Player 29. Player 135. You have been eliminated.
3, 4, 1. Good job.
So I honor you with a meeting face to face. I hope you've chosen your place at the table carefully.
0.
Thank you.
Telling me that I should throw it all away. Fight so hard, my heart is hardly helpless.
Ew.
Red light, green light. It's a Bloody Mary.
Cheers, baby. Congrats. We're right here at the VIP Lounge here in Squid Game Experience here in New York City. And I'm ordered for a red light, green light drinks. And actually you can able to watch the people playing right there while having your cocktail. Cheers, everyone. Red light, green light. Cheers.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Thinking
Thanks, guys. Thank you.
but if I lay down and I play dead and I stay
So we are in the line right now, and as you can see, check this one out, this line all the way down there. That is the line for the Ichiran Ramen here in New York City. So after the Squid Game experience, we need a hot, authentic bowl of ramen. If it is good, we're willing to wait.
Classic tonkatsu. Christ.
Tables 35 and 34, left-hand side. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Let's go to Japan. Look at this. Amazing, perfectly cooked boiled egg. It's just so good. Still number one. Never ever put into waste a quality broth right here. Oh, that is so good. Still the best ramen here in New York City. Ichiran. Amazing.